What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the alternator on the sandbar because it kind of went out on me, which kind of sucks. But it's all right. We got a bunch of cars. With my car, the wife's car, we got my motorcycle, so I'm not stranded for work. But I like having the AC in the K-truck. My neighbor Austin. Hello, say hello, Austin.
Hello.
He's currently working on it. We're having a couple Awamudi sours, and we're having a good time. In typical Subaru fashion, actually, I don't know if it's typical Subaru, but this alternator is very easy. It's like 4 bolts. We just got to pull it out now. What's the problem?
It just hinges on this right now, and I can't.
Wow.
Hey, I appreciate your effort, man.
Good timing.
You're really out here saving the day.
It's my other neighbor, Keelan. You met him.
Hello.
Dude, he's
Hello.
by the
Got the
feds.
pry
You can't
bars.
show him, bro.
He's got the
I don't
pry
think so.
arms.
Sweet. Yeah, I finally got the new
Before you
alternator.
talk shit about me wearing the shirt, I don't care if it gets dirty.
Yeah.
He be talking shit, like, yo, why are you Air Force folk always be just walking around this city with your sand tees on, bro? I was like, I would never, bro.
You guys love it. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Look at this free labor.
Is that the smoked cheese?
Yeah, have one.
I almost bought it like 5 minutes ago.
Delicious. My wife got them today.
Oh, that would have been so much easier. You know, I really appreciate it.
Just like that. Super quick, super easy. The Subaru sandbars are wonderful little trucks. Maintenance is super easy. They're super reliable. It's great. I highly recommend. Super easy install.
Oh yeah, we don't need the washer. We've already got one.
Fantastic. There's like 2 bolts in the ground. Super easy maintenance. I do love this truck so much. That's all she wrote. Now we gotta jump it and charge the battery. We're running off the Skyline because there's no battery in the front, but there's a jumper like terminal.
Where's the keys to that?
It's inside.
The house or?
No, in the truck.
Whoa. Kind of CSGO knife you got?
No, it's a kunai. Easy as pie.
How much lighter the Lausen? Oh, the load. The red cards, bro? Or go cards?
That's good.
Go cards.
I love you. So I'm actually here with my neighbor Keelan. Say what's up. You guys have seen him in some videos, but we're gonna go ride with him in his car, see how he's doing. I feel like I'm doing really well today. No pressure, no nothing, so it's going pretty well. Let's go, baby!